not a big fan of cosmetics, but still, sometimes I like to take care of my skin. And as the book says, every 2 weeks I use a face mask. And I take my little tube, everything nice and convenient, and I apply it on my face. If I were a Roman lady, a domina, I wouldn't do this because I would have a slave. And my cosmetica slave would prepare all the creams and the blush and the rouge and all the things I needed. And for a face cream and for a face mask, she would prepare the best recipe there is, mixing milk, bread, and honey.
Tea, milk tea, milk tea, just for me. Milk tea, drink milk tea, milk tea, just for me.